One of the excuses I hate the most is, I don't have time to cook. This is gonna be a speed cooking course. And no, I'm not gonna use a bunch of ingredients. This is not a Gordon Ramsay video. So if you want that, go somewhere else. This is trying to cook something healthy as fast as possible. So I'm gonna set the timer to see how long this takes us. So just go here. And we're gonna have a timer on the screen for you guys as well. So 1, 2, 3, and we're off. So we have 5 eggs here. That's 7 grams of protein every single egg. So we're gonna crack that there, get that going. I'm making a mess, but I'll pick that up later. I'm not worried about that now. I'm just trying to do this as fast as possible. So 7 times 5, that's 35 grams of protein. I don't think we need any more. Okay. Now we're gonna come over here to the pan. We're gonna have it at high heat. We're gonna cook with some avocado oil. Avocado oil is the best oil to cook in because it has a 500-degree smoke point. Hopefully this is hot enough. And we're just gonna put that there. While that's going, we're gonna start chopping our cucumber. Come here. So cucumber has vitamin C and it has a bunch of minerals as well, such as manganese, magnesium, and it's full of water, so it'll keep you well hydrated as well. We're also going to use some tricolor tomatoes, and tomatoes have vitamin A. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't have vitamin A. It has a lycopene, which is really good for the skin, and it has beta carotene as well, which is good to protect you from sun damage. Okay, so we have this right here. That should be enough. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put this away. Okay. Yeah, the point is to clean while you cook. We already have a minute. We're already at 2 minutes. And if we come over here to the eggs, around the 45-second mark is when I like to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm gonna add that there. I'm just gonna lower the heat slightly because I don't like my eggs too rubbery. Now we're gonna get a plate. You can start putting the cucumbers here on the circumference. Again, I don't want to hear that excuse of, oh, there's no time to cook, but you have time to watch. You have time. Whenever you say I don't have time for it, that means I don't make time for it. There's 24 hours in the day. We sleep around 7 to 8 hours. So with all those other hours, you can make it work. So now we're going to be cutting our tomatoes as well. I love these tomatoes. They're just so chock full of nutrients and flavor. So we're going to cut this up here. Here, you don't want to cut fast because I don't want to cut myself. I'm not emo. That was a bad joke. Okay, let's get this going. This is just simple. I'm not a chef, so you could do this as well. All right. So then we're gonna put these in their circumference as well. And I'm not gonna use any special spices or ingredients, just pure plain salt. My microphone's kind of falling in and out of place. Sorry about that. And the more colors that you have to your plate, the more phytonutrients that you're getting. So you wanna eat across the rainbow. This looks very appetizing. We're gonna add some salt there. So we're already at the 4-minute mark. Again, while you're cooking, you could start putting things away and cleaning up to make the cleaning process faster for you. And also, if you have a dishwasher, take advantage of that. You can start putting things in the dishwasher, but this is very low maintenance. Starting to put everything back. The eggs are looking like they're almost there. What I'm gonna do is lower the heat slightly and put this over it. So when you cover your eggs, be careful because if you leave it covered too long, the eggs will become rubbery, and that's what I do not want. Gonna bring this here, and now we just wait. I'll give it another 15 seconds. Probably add a little bit more salt. Again, guys, salt is not bad for you. Obviously, if you have conditions such as congestive heart failure, you already know that you shouldn't eat that much salt. But if you're a regular person and you go to the gym and you exercise, having some salts on your food is not bad. Don't follow a low sodium diet. Salt is an electrolyte, which we all need. The dose is what makes the poison. So obviously, if you have a bunch, it's not gonna be healthy. The same way that if you drink too much water, you could die from drinking water, but does that make water bad? No. So it's still a little runny, so I'm gonna give it another minute. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna clean this board right here. Just gonna put some water on it. Multitasking, multitask. Okay. And hopefully this comes out good. And there. Let's see the timer. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. I could have done this a little faster, but you cannot tell me that you don't have 6 minutes and 30 seconds to cook yourself a healthy meal. So here where you're getting fiber from the vegetables, you're getting vitamins and minerals from the fruit, which is the tomato. You're getting from the eggs, you're getting all essential amino acids. All the amino acids that are present are found in eggs. And you're also getting healthy fats and healthy cholesterol from the egg yolk. And you're also getting vitamin D from the egg yolk as well. So people that say to just use egg whites, yes, it does have more protein, but all the nutrients are in the egg yolk. So don't be afraid of egg yolks. Another thing is that people think that cholesterol is bad for you, and that is something else. That cholesterol is vital to produce testosterone in men. So unless you have predisposing health conditions that your doctor told you to keep your cholesterol low, don't be afraid of cholesterol. So if you learned something new, make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting a lot more videos just like this. But now it's time for me to enjoy these gains right here.